Do you see why I'm interested? Do you understand that all you have to do is press a button and watch a video to get paid? What if you were paid repeatedly for liking and commenting on the video? You can make real money online just by executing this large number of tasks efficiently for a few moments on your phone in a single day. You could withdraw the funds through PayPal, or you could just send the funds to your bank and have them in digital currency. Wouldn't that be fantastic? In today's video, I'll show you a website that only a few people are aware of, and I'll take you step by step through the most effective approach to pursue for free. Don't worry, there are no country limitations on our site, so you can access it from anywhere on the planet. If you stick with me all the way to the end, I'll even give you a bonus tip that will provide you money without you having to do any effort. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. Now, because this is a brand new site, pay great attention because I don't want you to miss anything important. Now, take a look at this page. You'll notice that there are 5 different techniques for making money on this site. First, surf websites, videos, and adverts, and then engage in online media interactions such as watching, liking, sharing, and possibly leaving comments on videos. You can also answer surveys around certain topics. You can even finish your studies if that is your thing. This is the greatest strategy for beginners, but don't forget that I'll give you a few tips later on in this video, so stick with me. Now, let me teach you how to access the homepage from any device, such as your computer or mobile phone. This works in any country on the planet, and no money or investment is required. So, let me demonstrate how this works in practice. First, select an acquisition method. The most efficient method of bringing money into the site has various alternatives. You can look over all of the options here. As you can see, there are 5 amazing techniques, after which you should begin working on the project. This method allows you to be paid every 24 hours. Now, doesn't that sound amazing? So, if you want to create a free account, all you have to do is click the registration button, which will take you to this page. You can see how you choose to start a record. You may join up using a Google or Microsoft account, but you can also create a new one right now by tapping the email and password fields and then clicking the button. This is your dashboard once you've been taken to this page. You'll see your earnings right here along these lines. This is a new account, so you're starting from scratch because you haven't completed any work yet, so when you start bringing in money, it'll appear here on top of your dashboard. With that, you've started setting up your account, so head to your mailbox and look for the confirmation link to complete the process of setting up and activating your account so you can start bringing in your profits. Returning to your dashboard, I need you to click Earn to be directed to this page. You can use any of the techniques I demonstrated in the video for installment. So let's take a look at the main technique, which is to browse websites, make bids, and participate in promotions. Simply click the Earn button to be directed to a page where you can begin viewing promos and start earning money. Now, when you click on Procure again, a pop-up window will appear as shown above. Now, it doesn't matter what device you're using, you can browse the page for the amount of time specified, and make sure you don't stay in one location. This will establish that you are a real person doing the activity and not a robot programmed to do so. When the timer goes off, the money will then be credited into your account. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. Okay, so here are some more tips. When you're watching a typical YouTube video, what you need to do is press play and watch the video for as long as the clock indicates. If you stop watching the video before the timer runs out, you will lose the money. Moving forward, the next technique is to leave a communication via web-based media. When you click on Procure, you'll be led to a page where you can leave a variety of companies, including YouTube and Instagram. So on YouTube, you can view videos, subscribe to channels, and favorite videos. You may like posts and follow profiles on Instagram. There is no skill required, simply click a few times and you will be paid. I'll give you an example by showing you a YouTube video. To begin watching the video, press play and wait until the clock says so. Here's another tip. You can reduce the video quality to the lowest option to save data and make the video play much faster. Working on comments and reviews or completing surveys is also another strategy. Also, if you haven't seen it yet, the site's name is Paidwork.com. You can download it on iOS and Android devices and start generating money online from anywhere in the world. Now here's the bonus tip that I'm making you wait for. Paidwork has a referral program where you can refer or welcome friends to the site and earn a 12% commission. Simply copy your referral link and share it with others, otherwise keep an eye out. Here is another reward tip. You can also get paid through this other site. This one is called Coinbase.com. On the homepage, there's a button that says Earn Crypto. Click on that and you'll be taken to this page where you can earn cryptocurrency money while finding out about crypto. Simply watch videos to be paid. Analyze the amount of money they will pay you for each video. For example, click Start Course to be taken here. Each of these examples will be broken down into digestible videos lasting several minutes each, and you'll be paid for watching each of them. As you can see, you can view these videos in this amount of time and earn this much money. You can also invite others to use the site and you'll get $50. After you finish one course, you can simply start over and watch another, and you can keep earning money over and over again. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.